are here and we start our Christmas. Look, look, look. Hayley's got a jumper on. It's like the slow motion.
I'm very distracted because
I've got my Christmas jumper on.
There's a game over there that has a giant turtle plush.
Oh God. Yeah, so yeah, we're here at Reading Winter Wonderland for our second visit. We came a couple of years ago. So yeah, come with us as we show you around what's here at Reading Winter Wonderland for 2025. Big old starflyer there. We'll take you through the tickets in a minute. Plenty of rides.
I don't see a waltzer yet.
No.
Funny enough, it's the only ride I'd actually do.
Toasted marshmallows, Bailey's hot chocolate. Hayley will be happy. We've got a Dodgems. Again, we'll take you through all the prices in a minute when we get there. With German sausage, you can't come to a Christmas festival without a German bratwurst. Oh, the Christmas music's pumping. We've also got hooker duck. Hayley will be happy. Hooker duck, Hayley.
Yeah.
As well as many other game stalls here.
They've got a penguin, but you need to get 2 small prizes for the penguin.
There you go. They've also got a nice big ice rink as well. Again, pay separate. Plenty of picture points as well. A lovely heart. And then obviously, I don't think it's open today, but that building there is where you'd come and meet Santa. You can post your letters to Santa there. Just going to take you through the pricing. So you get unlimited wristband with ice skating, 29, or just an unlimited ride band for 4 hours for 24.
It's interesting that it doesn't say on there about a killer ticket.
No, but we have read online that you can get one.
Yeah, you can, but it's just interesting to me that they have other things on there, just not carer eligibility.
You can also buy obviously individual tokens, so if you don't want to do all the rides. Big observation wheel going around now. Jungle Kingdom. Fun house there. A few juvenile rides, and we've got Trailblazer, which I think is a Matterhorn, but don't quote me on that. I don't know my rides that well. Although they do wristband for 24 quid, I'm only going to do 2 rides, which is Project X and Air Swing. So I just got tokens, which is £1 a token, so 8 quid's worth for 2 rides. Not too bad. Like I say, they have got an option for wristbands. So yeah, we'll take you on the ride. Hopefully we're allowed to film with the GoPro. I've brought the GoPro today. And we'll go on this first. Here we go, I'm on Project X, this swing ride. I don't know what you call it. I'm so sorry. But yeah, bring you on the ride for a POV. And next ride after this, we're going to do the air swing. Yeah, look at that, all the way up there. Lovely job, we get a great view of the park. Here we go. Project X, let's go. Yeehaw! Very smooth. It's like a KMG freakout, but the other way around. It's in on the outside, not on the inside. Oh, oh, that makes my stomach go weird. Oh, yeah. Whoa, whoa, wow. The power, whoa, yeah, wow. Incredible! Whoa! Whoa! Jesus! Whoa! Wow! Wow! Whoa. We're still going! scream if you want to go faster. Wow. Oh, I think we're stopping. Sorts of rides. Obviously something very much bigger is coming, an Intamin gyro swing at Blackpool Pleasure Beach, sorry. Yeah, that gives you a little taste of what it's like. It's going to be intense. Yeah, on the starflyer. Here we go, on the starflyer. I hate these rides, I'm not going to lie. We're going to get a great view of Reading Winter Wonderland from, I know, 50 foot in the air. Here we go. Take you around. No messing with this ride. Straight on. Look at this. We're literally just held on by a bit of metal. Yeah, a bit of metal. They scared the living hell out of me. I'm not going to lie. Look at this. But you get fantastic shots, aerial shots of this incredible place, Reading Winter Wonderland. Got a little bit of a skate park as well, but also you can clean your cars here as well. Oh wow! Oh, it's windy up here. Ladies down there getting me some off-ride shots as well. As we come around, there is a car park as well. It's pay and display. Just bear that one in mind. Oh, it's windy. Oh, jeez. We're all the way at the top now. Wow, full power. Oh, wow. But yeah, Reading Winter Wonderland is on every day now, more or less, I think it is, up until the 4th of January. Make sure you check their website for more details and tickets and wristbands that you can pre-book. Highly recommend this place, I really do. It's fantastic, and it's a lot cheaper than like Winter Wonderland in London, for example. Oh, there we go, we're coming back down now. There we go, there was the starflyer. Yeah, the observation wheel there is £5 a ride. Not bad actually, considering we've spent about £8 at the one actually in Windsor the other week, or the other month. So they've got juveniles. Or crumble, which seems to be a favourite this year. Get your apple crumble. Yeah, look at all the stalls down here, brilliant. All the cows and stuff. There we go, there's a very brief tour of Reading Winter Wonderland. On a few rides, pretty reasonable price. If you're looking to go to...
The rides are reasonable price. I think everything else is a bit on the expensive side, like Hooker Duck is £6, and then if you want a decent price you have to spend about £12 to be able to trade up. So that's a bit, and then there's some prizes that you can buy, and there's like a massive turtle that is available to purchase, but it was about 60 quid. I looked online, you can get it for 30. So some things are a bit pricey, whereas others are a bit reasonable.
Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we shall see you on our next adventure. Bye.